Frustrated because your phone won't charge in your GMC Acadia? Let's get that USB port working again. First, double-check that both ends of your USB cable are plugged in tight. Try a different cable, because sometimes the wire is the real problem. If your phone or device still won't connect, restart your Acadia. Just turn off the car, wait a few minutes, and turn it back on. This helps reset the system. Still no luck? Open your car's settings and look for any updates. Sometimes a quick software update can solve USB issues fast. If your port is still dead, check for debris. Use a flashlight. If you see dust or crumbs in the port, gently clean it out with a wooden toothpick. Never use metal objects. Now test the port again. If it works, awesome. If it's still not working, your fuse might be blown. Check your owner's manual to find the fuse box. Replace the USB fuse if needed. They're cheap and easy to find at any auto store. And if none of these steps fix it, it might be time to visit your dealership or mechanic. So next time your GMC Acadia's USB port acts up, remember these quick steps. Sometimes the fix is easier than you think.